Hello everyone, welcome to Jomix channel, and for today we're going to unbox the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo with DJI RC Remote 2. And I'm so excited about this unboxing video because this is my first time to buy a drone from DJI, and I bought it from Amazon. So the package is already here. Here it is from Amazon. So I would like to say thank you to Amazon for sending me this box or this package and safely. And although this package have been canceled the deliveries for so many times because I'm very busy at work, and thank you for your understanding, Amazon, and for bringing this package to me in a very safe manner. I hope so that the inside of this box is complete, and I hope that it's not damaged at all because it's a very fragile thing to deliver, because it's like a breakable material. So I hope that you're going to enjoy this video. So let's try to open the box. So let's open it here. Wow, I have a drone now. I'm so excited. Oh my god! So this is how it looks like inside, guys. So Amazon, this is how it looks like. Ta-da! The DJI Mini Pro Fly More combo with DJI RC2 remote. So we're going to open this box. So what does it says here? Fly More combo. I've been dreaming of a drone because I'm really excited to see the view over, and when it's above you, you can really have a very wide range of view to look at, and it's very exciting to have a drone that is with a camera, so especially that I am also doing some travel videos, and it's better to really have a top view of the place or the area that I'm going to visit, and to really enhance and to enhance my video presentation, and to make more detailed, or maybe not a detailed but a more presentable and a more beautiful view of the place, and to present to all of you when you watch my travel videos. To support my travel videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment to the comment box below if you see something that could help me to improve my videos. So this is it. This is all for you, and I really bought this drone. I'm going to practice to use this drone so that I could deliver a more beautiful shots of my video, and I hope that I can be able to learn this drone quickly, but little by little I'm going to study how to fly this DJI Mini Pro. Ayan. So here, this is how it looks like inside. So this already have a remote, the RC2 remote. So I decided to buy this RC2 remote because I don't want to use my phone as a remote, but actually you can use your phone as a remote for this type of drone. But it's good thing that this is already a combo, so it comes with a remote. So it's very exciting, guys, and it's a very cool what you call this one, package for the DJI Mini Pro. Ayan. So let's open it. So it's intact now, so I can see that it's intact. There is still a plastic covering the box. The seal is not broken. So that's it. So we're going to open it here, this side. So actually, guys, this is a 249 grams, 249 grams weight. So it's a lightweight drone. That's why it's called mini. So you can actually use it if you are allowed, within the city, not just but not near the airport. I hope that during my visits in every area, when I'm going to bring this drone with me, that I could be able to really fly safely, and of course with permission from the from the officers or the persons in charge within the area that it is safe to fly this drone. So let's open it now. So this is how it looks, the front look. And as I've said, it's a 249 grams, no? So ultra light. It's an ultra light drone. Ayan. And what is inside? Let's open it. So here, there is an arrow being indicated here in this box, in this area of this box. We're going to that. Oh, I'm so excited. Wow, it comes with a bag. Ta-da! So here. So first, whoop. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, my drone. Oh, I already have a drone. Thank you, Lord. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to have this opportunity to buy this drone, no, from Amazon, because you know, I really dream to have one of those drones that are like in the market outside and outside the market. And I'm very happy to share this to all of you, no, my happiness that I'm able to finally grab one, no, and to experience how to fly this drone. And I hope that to all of you who are watching who also dream to have one, I pray and I wish that you can also have your own drones, and you will use it like very into its maximal potential and benefit, no, to your life and to the rest of the people who can also benefit your videos, and the fact that you are using it for something entertainment or business, that it would really help your life grow and make other people happy. Yeah. So let's open it. So guys, it's already being prepared by DJI for all of us, that it's already packed inside, because as they said, it's a combo. So I hope that what surprised us, that is written, or what they really what you call this one, promised us as an inclusion of this Fly More combo is really present inside, and it's intact, and it's safely packed, and there's no damage at all. So let's see. So here's a zipper. The bag is like black, and it's leather, and it's waterproof, so it's like very good. And here the zipper, it really has like a DJI, what you call this one, engraved with DJI logo here. That, so we can open this. It has a zipper here, it has a compartment here in this bag. It's very small, so if you have maybe your charger or some USB or some what you call this one, some microchips, or maybe you can also put here some tissue, I don't know, or maybe some phone, the smallest phone, you can also have like have it here, or some money or cash, you can also put it here, so when you travel, because it's just a light bag. So you can like place it on your shoulder again. So that's it. So they also have this this tag from DJI. Let's open it, guys. Wow! So here it is. This is what's inside the DJI. Oh god, it's beautiful. I haven't touched it yet, so but I'm really very happy and excited to share this thing to all of you guys. Oh! Oh! So this is the drone. Oh my god, it's very light. It's very, very light. So it is still out, also sealed, no, with this plastic. So as you can see, it's sealed. So we remove this back here, and we will open it like this. Oh my god! Wow! Oh, thank you, Lord. So I have my drone right now. I'm holding it, the DJI Mini Pro. So it's very beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so very happy to have it. And so it's locked. Guys, I still do not know how to really manipulate this thing and to open, but I'm just showing you that this is how it looks like, you know. So maybe I will make another video to on how to operate this one and my first fly of this drone. So I hope that I will not destroy this or damage this drone for the first time. I really have to remove. So there is also an instruction if you're going to use, if you're a first timer, no, to hold a drone like me. So there is an instruction here. It's marked with a paper here with a yellow dot or a yellow color thing here. So you can read this one. So it says here, remove the foam and sticker before use. Oh, so these are the stickers here. So we need to remove this one. So it says here, please use the propeller holder to protect the propellers when storing. So this is very important for the drone to have when you store your drone. This is called the propeller holder. Ayan. So, but I don't know yet how to remove this one, but this is how it looks like. So charge to activate the intelligent flight battery before using for the first time. So this is the battery side of the drone. So it says that we need to charge it before using it for the first time to activate what you call this one, the intelligent flight battery. Ayan. So this is where the USB charge is located here. And then this is where the microchip or the micro SD comes or being inserted. Ayan. So this is the camera. This is the camera of the drone. Oh, cool. And the propellers, of course. Yes. Thank you very much, DJI. Wow! So, that's it. The first. And what's next? We also have... Oh my goodness! Oh. The remote, guys! The remote. It's just like you are playing in a PlayStation. You're holding a joystick, actually. Here, the remote control. So, it's like a cell phone. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited. Oh, good. So this is it. So it's written here. It's CNS. I don't know, central nervous system. I don't know. So it's written here CNS. No. Oh, it's on. It turned on. Wow, it's so beautiful. So this is it. There's no instruction. Just the not like the drone. No. There's no instruction. The remote has no instruction here, or there are no paper that is being placed that there's an instruction. Oh, it's really beautiful. So I think this is the joysticks. No, you're going to remove this one and place it in here. That one. Okay? So, wow, C1, C2. I still do not know how to use it, guys. But I'm going to learn. There is also a charging port, and also your micro SD comes here in this slot. So there is I think there is a button here that's for record. I stop, I think, and then camera. This is for the camera to appear. Yeah, so we will learn this together, guys. I'm still going to watch other tutorials from YouTube as well, to those who are already like using drones and the expert to fly the drones. So I really want to say thank you in advance to all of you who already have made the videos and tutorials on how to fly drones, because it's very important for me, and it really will be a great help for me as a beginner to use the drone. So I'm very excited, and even a beginner, I already have this type of drone that I hope that it would I would find it easier to fly this drone, and it would really help me somehow to improve my content in my channel. No, so thank you very much to all of you content creators of like tutorials and other videos that you share to other people. But this is the remote, guys. It's really cool. It's also very, very light, and it's like perfect for your hand to really like put it like this and to make that, and you can like watch the footage in front, and you will do something like, oh god, it's like, oh, perfect. Thank you so much, Lord, for everything. So this is the camera, and what else comes into this combo? Ta-da! The battery. So wow, wow, I have a charger. Wow, I already have a charging panel, no? So here I can charge a maximum of 3 batteries. So it comes with 2 batteries. Wow, it's so cool. 2 batteries. Wow. Also to remove the batteries, you have to press this side and then return it like that. And then hear a clicking sound. And then like that. And then so this is the battery charging port. So this is the out and the in. So there is a power button here when you charge your battery. Okay? Wow, it's so perfect. Wow, thank you DJI. Ah, there are also extra propellers. So what's here? What's inside here? Wow, it's like a candy. So these are the charging wires, no? 2. And then we also have a screw. And if ever we're going to remove the propeller, and there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6 extra propellers. So that's it, guys. I hope that you like this video. Until my next video about DJI Mini 4 Pro, and until my next video with my first fly of this Mini 4 Pro. And also I hope that I could also teach you on how to navigate, or how to operate this drone properly. But I know that there are already other content creators who made their own videos regarding how to operate and some techniques, and to make this drone better when you use it during your footage. And but I say thank you very much for your attention in this video as I open this box and share my happiness to all of you. So until my next video, cheers.
Mm-hmm.